everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. This dessert recipe is one of the favorites because of its warm, tantalizing flavor. This is quick and easy to make and very comforting. And it's like a warm hug on a cold day. This is called apple crisp. You will need to have some cinnamon, some rolled oats, some flour, some melted butter and salt. Just a few simple ingredients. It's amazing how wonderful this will turn out. So we'll start by making the crispy topping first so that it's ready when we need it. We'll start by melting half a cup of butter in a saucepan. So to get started with this, start with a medium bowl and add 1.5 cups of quick oats. Then add 1 cup of brown sugar. Then pour in that half a cup of melted butter. Then take a large spoon and mix this together until it becomes crumbly and slightly moist. Then set that aside until you're ready to use it. Then take and peel and slice 8 large apples into another bowl. Now I prefer to use Macintosh apples for this. You can choose whatever you like. Now different apples add different types of flavor, but still turns out pretty well. Now that I'm going to take these apples and transfer them into a larger bowl for mixing. Now add half a cup of brown sugar, then 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now you can also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is optional. Then stir this together really well like this so that all the ingredients are well incorporated. Then you take and pour the apples into a 9 by 11 inch pan that's been lightly greased. Then spread them out evenly in the pan like this. Turn your oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to have it preheated. Now then take your topping mixture and pour it evenly over the top of the apples. And this is what gives it its name, apple crisp. Then bake that in a 350 degree oven for approximately 30 minutes or until the apples are cooked through and the top is slightly golden. And I just check it with a sharp knife to see if the apples are tender. And it should look something like this. Now this is absolutely delicious, served warm with a scoop of ice cream. And this makes enough for about 4 or 5 people. So if you only have a couple of people you're making it for, just half the recipe. So this is one of those easy and quick desserts that can be made up last minute and with very little time involved. Now go ahead and give it a try. I hope you enjoy it. Now thanks for watching Best Recipes with Sharon. And until next time, happy eating!